Oftentimes, managers inherit teams rather than recruiting and building their own teams. Rockstar managers go above and beyond to take our teams to the next level. One thing we must do is create a framework for positive change. In this episode, we'll walk through 5 components necessary to build a framework for positive change. Hello and welcome to Rockstar Manager. I'm Dr. K, the management professor, and this episode is about creating a framework for positive change. Our world is constantly changing, nearly to the point where people regularly feel overwhelmed and can't keep up. When managing a team or an organization, it's important to create a framework for positive change. In this video, we'll walk through 5 components that will support the structure for this transformation. The 5 components necessary for this framework include 1. Establishing a positive climate, 2. Creating readiness, 3. Articulating a vision, 4. Generating commitment, and 5. Fostering sustainability. So what does it mean to establish a positive climate? This means managers create a positive energy network, ensuring a climate of compassion, forgiveness, and gratitude. They pay attention to employee strengths and their growth potential. To create readiness means Rockstar managers do 3 things. A. Benchmark best practices. This means they develop standards and metrics, not only to ensure goals are met, but that they are operating at or above industry KPIs, which are key performance indicators. Additionally, they manage stakeholder expectations and ensure there is no scope creep. B. They create new, unique language to describe old realities. So, for example, Disney's workforce is comprised of cast members rather than employees, and they wear costumes rather than uniforms. And C. They institute symbolic events to signify a new future, such as kickoff meetings and celebrations for meaningful achievements. The third component to create a framework for positive change is articulating a vision. You can watch my video, How to Articulate a Vision of Abundance, for specifics, but in general, make the vision statement interesting by capturing attention and exuding positive energy. Include both passion and principles that reflect the organization's core values in a straightforward manner. Then create a symbol or a logo to serve as a constant reminder. Generating commitment is the 4th component. Here, managers want to ensure public commitment and institute a small wins strategy. They should also apply principles of recreation, such as clearly defining goals, sharing frequent objective feedback with associates, and establishing self-administered, peer-reviewed, or automated objective scorekeeping that can be compared to prior performance. The last component in creating a framework for positive change is fostering sustainability, which consists of these notions. First, create irreversible momentum. This means the vision is a reality and each person plays an ownership role and becomes a champion of change. The students become the teachers. Furthermore, build human capital. This is your organization's most valuable asset. Invest in your workforce to build skills and motivation. Lastly, identify metrics, measures, and milestones that are visible, shared weekly, and corrected or celebrated as appropriate. Hopefully you have a better understanding of what it means to create a framework for positive change. If you're interested in learning more about related managerial topics, you can find my book, Rockstar Manager, From Theory to Practice, at Barnes & Noble. Or for more on frameworks for positive change, you can read Wetton and Cameron's Developing Management Skills. Thanks for your time. Be your best you and be a Rockstar Manager.